sa igbaw ba?
Kasama ka?
Ma'am, kahit di caps lang, no?
Alam mo kung mag-caps lang. Pili na ako natanawan ng caps lang. Tanawan na ako sakto ang word. White window. Space. Space na and enter. Okay. Oo, tama. Pero not all na pagkasa yun. Okay, ready na?
Shit.
Okay. Paano ka mata? And please don't cheat me.
Kasama to.
Makikita ko naman kung nag-cheat ka.
Ang sama yun
Rule number 1, you're not allowed to talk to your classmates. You're not allowed to talk to your classmates. That's rule number 1. And rule number 2, no cheating. Okay, no cheating. Please, ayuhan na itong mga pinigay. Ito na lang sa ako. Paminaw lang sa ako ha. Kaya that's practice. No, kung naririnig nyo yung sinasabi ko. Number 1, again, you're not allowed to talk to your classmates kasi madidistract sila. Okay? Pag kinausap sila, sige na, ayusin na yung mata. Pagka, okay, mag-start na tayo, don't peek na. No peeking na, okay? Okay, again, you're not allowed to talk to your classmates kasi madidistract sila, mawawala sila sa letter. Next is, walang mag-iingay. No? Makaka-distract din yan sa classmates ninyo. Makakalimutan na yung letter or word na type nila. Next, if you don't know the spelling, you can ask me para ma-spell na ako sa inyo, ha? Then, pag sinabi ko, kung kailan ko lang sasabihin na pwede nyo natanggalin yung mga piling nyo sa kanilang tatanggalin. Walang maglalaro, ano ba yan? Bakit nag-fit nyo naman later na yan? Makaril. Okay. Pag sinabi ko, natanggalin ang mga hands off. Wala na. Sige na,
Ay,
piling sa mata. Wala nang magtatanggal ng piling sa mata. -5 pag nagtanggal ng piling sa mata. Okay, ready? Type your complete name. Complete ang middle initial. For example, Joraline Elcisa Espina. Type, yes, derecho. Type your complete name, enter key, mag-enter kayo, type Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering 1A. You may start.
So, ito sunod ang address mo?
Walang address akong sinabi.
Ay, wala dahil.
Sinabi ko lang, type your complete name and course. Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering 1A. This is not open time. Okay?
Pwede mag-space, ma'am?
Pwede mag-glass space.
Name. Ito, ma'am? Name.
Complete name and your course. Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering 1A.
What?
Bachelor of Science in Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering 1A. Then type enter. Ayaw si Bigli straight ang straight ang ulo. May 1A, ma'am? Yes, 1A.
Ma'am, pakailit ba? Full name, sunod.
Your course, Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering 1A.
So, press key.
And yes, Wait lang, kaya ko pa. Enter na, type and press enter key. Next, type Bipsu mission. Bipsu mission. Bipsu mission. Enter key. Baton lang ako ha. Bipsu mission. Enter key. To advance. PO. To advance. To advance. Bilisan. 1 minute wait. To advance. The university. To advance the university. To advance the university. To advance the university through. To advance the university through. 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 To advance the university through. First activity nila. Kaya na nila. Advance the university through innovative. Through innovative human resource. Through innovative human resource. Through innovative human resource. resource. Next study source, responsive research. Responsive research. Responsive research. Again, to advance the university through innovative human resource responsive research. Responsive research. Responsive research.
As a university,
Responsive research. Responsive research.
responsible.
Next, sustainable production. Sustainable production. Sustainable production. Sustainable production. Sustainable production. Susunod mo?
So, naman sa responsive research, ma'am.
Sustainable production. Sustainable production. And A&D. Sustainable production and A&D. And yes, and A&D. And demand driven. Demand driven. Sustainable production and demand driven. Ano yun? Human resource responsive research. Responsive research, sustainable production, and demand driven. And demand driven. And demand driven.
Production of, sa karoon yung
Sustainable production and demand driven.
This is guys, sorry, ma'am.
Driven,
This one.
D-R-I-V-E-N.
Oh, driven.
Driven.
Oh,
Driven.
oh, driven.
D-R-I-V-E-N. Driven.
Sunod, ma'am.
Okay. Hands off. Hands off. Open kung ano itsura ng ginawa niyo.
Pwede na, tagalan
You are not allowed to. You are not allowed to correct. Okay? Kung ano yan, yun na yan. Okay. Next, ibalik ang piling. Ibalik ang piling sa mata.
Piring, piring.
Press enter nyo na. Press enter para ano na. Press enter. Enter. Press enter. Then, balik ang piling. You're not allowed to change anything na. Enter lang. Mawala ganin mo, press enter dayon.
Eh, pwede rin. I-start na lang.
Again. Okay, ready na? Please type Bitsu Vision. Bitsu Vision. Wrong spelling mo, ha? Bitsu Vision.
Then enter, ma'am.
Vision. V-I-S-I-O-N. Vision.
Kanang wa sa ato karon vision.
Bitsu Vision. V-I-S-I-O-N. Yes. Next, please enter key. Enter key na. Press enter key. Enter ba?
hindi ba? And ba?
And.
Og.
Ako lang is, ano kay base na in. A and D and societal development.
Oh shit.
Societal development. Societal development. Societal development. Societal SOCIETAL. Societal development. Societal development. Pag wala kayo, space lang. Societal development. Societal development. Societal development. EAL. Societal.
Sakto nga po, ma'am.
SOCIATAL. Societal. Societal development. Okay, hands off. Finish. Tanggalin ang ring. Tingnan.
What the hell?
Okay, go. You're not allowed to
Pre,
take
naglagay ako ng button dito, pre.
You can
Naglagay ako ng
picture
button
it.
dito.
You can
Ganyan
picture
ako
it.
dito.
Kami now, ang vision is 19 points, ang vision is 15 points. Every correct word ang point.
Ma'am, na-space bar ako. Okay na ni ma'am?
Pag wrong spelling, wrong.
Sakto man ang spelling, na-space bar lang.
Ang pagkaligit, wrong. Palangitan, to advance. Ang pagkaligit ang to advance, wrong. Okay lang, ma'am.
Ang innovation, ma'am, nagbuwas.
Sige na, picture it and then you may go.
Innovation, ma'am, nagbuwas.
See you on next. Ano pala? Tawag
Kita ba yan?
sa-
Ayawan ko.
Ano yan?
Development. Putang ina, takar ko pre, tanawa ko pre, gamay lang ko.
Okay.